Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. If you can, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Realme held an event in China today, during which it unveiled its latest smartphones, the Realme 11 series, as well as the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. The latest TWS from the brand is the successor of the existing Realme Buds Air 3. The newly announced audio accessory offers a pretty impressive set of specifications at a very reasonable price. Let's have a complete overview of the product. The Realme Buds Air 5 Pro offer 11mm dynamic audio drivers and 6mm secondary drivers. These buds have high-res small gold label certification. They also carry support for LDAC codec and spatial sound effects, which ensures an immersive audio experience. They also offer support for active noise cancellation of up to 50 decibels. The Realme Buds Air 5 Pro support 4000 Hz ultra-wideband noise reduction and is equipped with 6 built-in microphones that enable AI deep call noise reduction features. In terms of battery life, the main case has a 460 mAh battery, while each earbud is equipped with a 60 mAh battery. The brand claims that the device can provide up to 40 hours of usage time on a full charge. In terms of form factor, the device appears similar to its predecessor. The earbuds retain their stem-like design and feature a cylindrical main counterpart with a microphone cutout and silicone ear tips. Additionally, the charging case maintains its previous pebble-shaped design, along with the LED indicator. However, the design of the actual buds has undergone some minor changes. The TWS earbuds also feature a dedicated gaming mode, which lowers latency to 40 milliseconds, resulting in a better overall gaming experience. The earbuds also have an IPX5 water resistance rating, which means they can withstand splashes of water and sweat. Additionally, they support the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, and users can further customize the audio preferences and features of the earbuds using the Realme Link app. The Realme Buds Air 5 Pro are priced around $57 in China. The earbuds will be officially available for sale in the country from May 31st and pre-orders begin on May 23rd. That's it guys for this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.